baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force.
What up, my kings and queens? It's your boy, Kings23, back in the building, back in the kingdom, back in the castle, in the king's quarters, dropping another video for y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. For everyone that's been rocking with your boy, all my kingdom, welcome back to the channel. And for those who just started tuning into my channel, make sure that you guys subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right there. Doesn't cost you anything. You see that little button right there. Matter of fact, and you make sure you hit that notification bell. Definitely appreciate y'all guys for tuning in. Welcome to the channel. Alright, so today we're going to do this quick little unboxing. Hey, before we get started though, hey, remember I am doing a dang $50 giveaway for my 500 subscribers. So when I reach 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giving away $50. I'm thinking about just going ahead and getting a like one of those little prepaid cards, something like what my job does. You know, my job, we used to get these $50 American Express cards, so you can spend them just about anywhere or something like that. So I'm thinking about getting that, but then again, American Express is not accepted everywhere. So I'll figure it out. Tentatively, I guess I can do it by Cash App, PayPal, something like that. Venmo, I don't know. I don't have that, but I might just get that just in case someone does have that. I don't know. However you need to get it, however it needs to get done, I'll get it to you for whatever winner wins the $50. So today is a good day. You know, for me, it's a good day whenever I get packages in. And if anyone knows me, I'm always ordering something, whether it's through eBay, Amazon, shoes, whatever the case may be. I love getting packages. I love clothes, the whole kit and caboodle. Yeah. So, you know, UPS and FedEx and USPS, those are my peeps. So those are my friends. I like those. But today, I did another order through, well, I didn't do an order through GOAT, but today the packages came, well, actually, the package came yesterday. And I'm just now getting around to the video. So, package did come Monday. So, here it is, got a new package. This here, man, I did order through GOAT. I missed the opportunity to grab these when these did come out. But I seen them on GOAT, and y'all know me, I like ordering through GOAT. Just because, you know, StockX scares me, just being honest with y'all, man. With all the stuff that's been going on with StockX, I kind of been staying away from them, and then GOAT's been my go-to, I guess you could say, app as far as ordering shoes. And y'all know me, if I can get it for the low, it's a go-go. So I'm not really about paying above retail for things or anything like that. So, I mean, y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think. What do y'all normally do? I did just find out today that the Jordan 7 Pata Icicle is supposed to be dropping to in a few days this weekend. I think it's the 18th, 19th, whatever. I was actually been waiting on that one, but I haven't confirmed that just yet. But I saw something on IG, and I'm definitely looking to grab into that because I like 7s, and that Icicle, granted it is close to the original one that did come out earlier this year, but it seems like it's a lighter color, and I definitely have to grab that if it is coming out this weekend. Also this weekend, you know, your boy gonna be at SneakerCon, and this weekend the Jordan 10 Seattle drops. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna grab that shoe. Honestly, I'm thinking the shoe is gonna sit, and if it's gonna sit, I think I might just wait to grab it, you know, when I get back from SneakerCon Atlanta. That's just my plan, but I know how things are when it comes to my size. So we'll see, you know what I'm saying? We're just one of those things I think I'm just gonna gamble and shoot the dice on. And if I grab it, I grab it, which I really do want it. I do want to double up on this shoe, but if not, then we'll figure it out, and I can always go to GOAT. So just to keep on going, because I know this is what you're on, make sure I grab my knife. Y'all know, do not play with knives. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this, man. Been looking forward to this one. Honestly, I haven't been too much of a fan of this. I don't want to say the silhouette. I guess you could say the type of shoe it is. But I've been getting into it. I got 2 of them so far. And it's one of those things, I think I'm just going ahead and try to grab all of them. So popping this bad boy up, y'all see that. Matter of fact, I think I might make that my thumbnail. What is it? Maybe. Alright, but we're gonna try to, you know, last time I tried to get out of it. Let's do this. Alright. Got it here. There's a little paperwork here. It's an Air Jordan 1 low, white, black, court, purple. So I did want to grab these, and the reason why I grabbed these is because I missed out on the opportunity to grab the Shattered Backboards highs and the court purple. So, you know, when the pine greens and the court purples, they both came out at the same time, I actually missed that opportunity to grab those. And that's one of the things that's on my hit list I do want to go back and grab. So my thing is like, if you can't go back and grab it, and you know I really don't like paying above retail for shoes, but I think I'm gonna just try to ride it out and see. I do have like a little limit if I do have to go over retail. It just depends. But then it depends on when I try to get the shoe too, because I like to get other stuff that just copping out or whatever. But I do that every time, and I should know this by now. GOAT always does it.
Boy, if you don't get...
So popping this bad boy open. Man, y'all see that. So man, y'all comment down below. Let me know, did y'all grab these? Do you guys have the court purple highs? Y'all comment down below. But man, if you don't have them, this is a nice consolation. I'm just keeping a buck with y'all, man. This is a nice consolation. I'm not too much of a fan of lows when it comes to ones, which is what I was trying to say earlier, but for some odd reason, when I got those Royals, it just kind of grew on me. You know what I'm saying? So with those Royals, and then I grabbed the Shattered Backboards, which are in here. These are fly, man. These are pretty live. I'm gonna grab these other ones out of here because guess what? I don't need the box anymore. But yeah, man, just checking out the shoe, man. That that court purple. It's a smooth shoe. And this is one of those shoes where you got 3 different materials on it, which is crazy. I mean, even with the other ones, I mean, you have the suede around here, around the collar, in purple. Then you have that patent leather swoosh. Then you have the regular leather on the upper, but then it comes back around here with that suede and the toe box. Nice, man. The white midsole. And of course, you have the purple bottom, the purple sole. And I love the color purple, man. It definitely reminds me of my high school that I went to, which was LBJ here in Austin. And that was our color, man. We should have had these back when I was going to school. But I know everybody that's going to the J now is probably grabbing these. You know, the tongue with the white Jumpman on it, and with the 2-3 also with the tongue, the lace holder. So as you see there, the Wings logo on the back. Because you know with that Jordan 1, they got to put that Wings logo on there. But, hey, I feel like this is a great cop. I'm loving it. I'm feeling it. And honestly, just looking at these really makes me want to get the high. I got to get the high, man. I got to figure out how I'm going to do that. Might have to do something, get some trade bait or something. You know, in the sole, black carpet, purple Jumpman. And these are real live, man. These, for me, I like these. It's a good cop. These are in pretty good condition. Not too many, really I don't see any glue stains or anything like that, but these are pretty fly. These are pretty nice. I like these. So it's crazy because I got these in 11.5, and normally in my ones I get a 12. And I think because my ones are highs that I need to get a 12. And they fit fine. An 11.5 fits fine, but usually when I get like a low cut shoe, I usually ride with 11.5. Sometimes 11s. It just depends. Like on my Air Forces, those are 11s. 11.5 is too big. Maybe it's just the way the cut is. The shoe is different. A lot of my Air Max 97s, my Adidas, those are 11s, 11.5. You know, the shoe just fits different depending on what it is. But usually my J's, 9 times out of 10, all those are 12s. Except my 11s. For some reason, my 11s, I need to get 11.5 because the 12 is too big. It's weird as crap. I don't know why, but maybe it's the cut of my 11s, but all of my 11s have to be like 11.5. 12 is too big. But man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these right here. Did you guys grab these? Or maybe you didn't. I definitely have to. I think what is another one that I want to grab? So I got these 3. I want that UNC one. I definitely got to get that UNC one to kind of go along with these. The one that came out earlier this year. I missed out on that one because your boy never hits on the sneakers app, on the draw, none of that stuff. So I missed out on those, didn't get those, but I definitely do want those UNC ones. Looking forward to trying to grab those, add those in here. Maybe I'll start like a Jordan 1 low section. I don't know, it depends how many lows that they actually come out with. And I'll be honest with you, my energy did change when it comes to lows, because when I first seen them, I was like, I ain't feeling it. But when I grabbed those Royals, I've been wearing the heck out of them. And grabbing these, it just made sense. I liked them, man. Like I said, I liked them. I was ready to jump on those. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. And as I always say, my kings stand up and my queens stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
J's on the bottom, got them Air Force Ones with the J's on